Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to Reggae Falls in my parish of St. Thomas. So if you want to see more of your girl Alicia Christopher, stick around and just watch this video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. Stay tuned.
People may go Reggae Falls, you know. I think of chattings. Up here so where I go. Driver. Country style, you know. Yeah. Soon I Reggae Falls. We're not going to show you too much cause I don't want to come chat about my road no good. I'm not going to leave my St. Thomas road alone, you know. Man go up on the road, you know. Yeah. I'll do this right. I'm going up on the road, you know. Stay there. Welcome to Hillside. Roll, we are rolling now. Let's take it up different. People may reach, you know. I don't have no problem with the ear, you know, because I don't have no ear. But I don't want to catch up no draft for me. So I'm going to make my way up there. So when they measure water, like if it come and it's too high. So people may have to take my time, walk, go up. You see that? So now I go. People mangal in the water. So up here some may I go. What we say? May I set up this so I can take some pictures? They are Reggae Falls, you know, so this is a great Reggae Falls. We used to call it down. So I got set up my wrap. Look, let me show you something. Some little fish. Let me flip the camera. Wanna see them? The people. And there you go. I look for Reggae Falls. Like I'm a wrap down this so. I'm going to go into the water. I'm going to go chuck off. I'll do my ear shots. That girl is not going in the water. Oh, in the water. I can't pull up bird, yeah. People, mango in the water will not buy. Mango, yeah, that's fresh. The water. Oh my word. The government can't come clean. Everything is clean. People can't go on a photo shoot and all. truth. It's the people rain a fall. You hear me telling us to have shots here and no weed? Remember me telling you, trust me, because now, see me in the rain here, I'm not have to worry. Because I don't have no hairstyle. Yeah. So, I'm going to lay down in the water and I'm going to fall with myself. When I say travel with an ear like this, I mean travel with an ear like this. Rain a fall now, I'm not have to worry. Trust me. Jamaica act, so if you not come down here, make sure you have shot here. Come with the wig business, it's not gonna work. So right now, rain a fall. Take your time, Lisa. Take your time, goodie. Take your time, goodie. Hear me no mind enough. Watch me with the phone out to mash up. Like say a waterproof phone. Sit down here, little girl. Zit. I'm here shock eye there, damn. And I have to take on the time and walk, you know. See? Otherwise you will slide. Yeah, the water here. So I take it from the corner. Sakai come to me and Sakai say I have to come up here, so. People who want to jump by my friend, you must think about it.
Yeah, woman.
Because it's check out. Shower. Hey! We see a check out, me a shower where you gone. People drown. Church! Come to me then.
Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Once a video drop, you'll be first to be notified. See you next time. Bye.
Vamos! them to suck off.
Yeah.